This question came from our topic conjugate acid base concept. In this question, we have to choose strong conjugate base. A weak acid always has strong conjugate base, and strong acid has a weak conjugate base. Weak conjugate base, or we can say stable conjugate base. Based on this reasoning, let's analyze the option A. In option A, we have H2S, one structure, and second structure H2O. If we make conjugate base of H2S, it would be come out to be as SH negative, and conjugate base of water would be OH negative. SH negative is more stable than OH negative because of larger size of sulfur. The larger size of sulfur disperse the negative charge on more area than oxygen. That's why SH negative is stable. If SH negative is stable, it means H2S is strong acid and H2O is weak acid having strong conjugate base. So for first option, our answer would be 2. Let's analyze the second option. In second option, we have third structure like this, versus fourth structure, amide, like this. If we make conjugate base of third structure, it would come out like this, having negative charge on oxygen, which will be dispersed by 2 electronegative oxygen and evenly spread out. But in case of fourth structure, this negative charge would spread only on this much area. That's why third structure has stable conjugate base. So third structure is strong acid. Fourth structure is weak acid having strong conjugate base. So for our option B, answer would be 4. Is that clear? Are you understanding my point? Okay, let's analyze the option C. In option C, we have alkyne versus alkene. If we draw conjugate base of this structure, it would be like this, and for sixth option, its structure would be like this. Option C's fifth structure is sp hybridized. More the acidic sp, more the S character, more is the acidic strength. For sixth option, we have sp2 hybridization. Here S character is less, so it would be less acidic. So sixth structure is less acidic. Weak acid means strong conjugate base. So our answer would be 6. So answer should be 2, 4, 6, option A.